We continue on Learning Workbook page 120, and we finish the section with these problems. Find the power of I to the 33rd power, I to the 7th power, I to the negative 12th power, I to the 6th power. Now before we attempt these problems, there's something that I would like to share with you called the I wheel. We learned just a moment ago that I raised to the first power is I raised to the second power is negative 1, I raised to the third power is negative I, and I raised to the fourth power is positive 1. And that there is a pattern that repeats as you get higher and higher exponents. For example, I to the 5th power also will give you I to the 6th, I to the 7th, and I to the 8th. We can represent this with the I wheel. The number on the inside represents the power of I, in other words, the exponent. The number on the outside represents the value that you get. For example, I to the first power is I, just like we have here. I to the second power is negative 1, as we see here. I to the third power is negative I, and I to the fourth power is positive 1. Now, what if you have an exponent that's bigger than 4 or less than 1? You just spin the wheel. For example, let's say we wanted to do I to the 7th power. Well, put your finger or your marker or your pencil on 1 and count the steps as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The result is negative I. So, I to the 7th power equals negative I. All right, let's do a different one. I'm going to change this problem to negative 6. Okay, let's do I to the 33rd. So put your pencil or marker here and count as we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. The answer is I. I to the 33rd power equals I. All right, what if you have a negative power of I? Can you still use the wheel? Yes, you just go backwards. So for example, let's say we want to do I to the negative 6. We'll start here at 4 and work backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So the answer is negative 1. Okay, one last problem, I to the negative 12. Again, we'll start at 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12. The answer is 1. Raising I to powers is very easy and fun.